This is the new building of Lindt Chocolate Factory, designed by architects Christ and Gantenbein. After the Limmat River cruise, we proceeded to Lindt Chocolate Factory as our next stop of our city tour. We are going to a chocolate factory. Lindt Chocolate Factory established in 1800s. It all started with the opening of David Sprangli's small confectionery in Zurich. The business grew quickly because of Sprangli's entrepreneurial spirit and passion for chocolate. Sprangli soon became a renown among chocolate manufacturers. In 1845, in a small confectionery shop of Mark Gassa in Zurich Old Town, David Sprangli and his son Rudolf Sprangli Amann produced the first solid bar of chocolate in German-speaking part of Switzerland. It instantly became a success. Sprangli grew rapidly, opening the Sleipitovel factory in Horgen in 1847. And in 1859, David Sprangli and his son inaugurated a second confectionery on Paradiplatz. Until now, famous confectionery Sprangli. Its elegant interiors quickly found favor among the locals, making it a popular place to get together.
No, it's not. Chocolate is not sugar-free.
This is an impressive new building designed by star architects Christ and Gantenbein. The Lindt home of chocolate welcomed chocolate lovers from all over the world. An interactive multimedia exhibition guides visitors through 7 different chocolate worlds, which appeal to all the senses. From the cultivation of cocoa to the history of chocolate, through to tasting the top quality Swiss chocolate. In addition to, interested visitors can view the latest production and automation technologies at a show production facility. Guys, this is really cool and amazing. Chocolate is melting down. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!